Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a April favorites video. I'm going to go through all of my favorite products that I've been using in the month of April. So if you're interested in watching, stick around. The video is coming up right now. Sup yo, so I've been waiting all month to make this video. I don't know why, I just really wanted to make it this month. Let's get into it. If you guys watch my channel, you know how much I love this concealer. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. It is the best, the bombest, .comest concealer there is. I use it in the color Fair, so they state it's a corrector and it really brightens my under eyes. I'm wearing it right now. I absolutely love it. So if you guys haven't tried this already, I highly recommend it. It's freaking bomb. Another favorite of mine this month is it's kind of a random favorite because I wasn't expecting it to be a favorite, but this is the Annabelle Perfect Glow Luminizer. So this is a highlighter. It is absolutely stunning. It's not what I expected at all. It's a natural sheen kind of highlighter. It's very gold. This is in the color Topaz and it's the one I'm wearing today. It's so beautiful and it really does pop, especially if you want to add like a face spray and then put it on. It really does pop if you wanted to. I mean, it's not the brightest highlighter in the world, but for what it is absolutely stunning. If you guys have not tried this, what are you waiting for? It's amazing. And on the topic of highlighters, I don't know if I included this in my last month's, but this month it is still my favorite. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Ambreezy highlighter. This is amazing. It's the most beautiful highlighter I've ever used. It's very gold, and I can imagine it would be good on so many different skin tones. I love the pan, the way they've done that. Like, it almost looks like sand. Like, it's just absolutely beautiful, and I'm obsessed. I feel like it's gonna be a favorite for the rest of my life. It's just that good. Something else I've been loving this month is the Sugar Honey Lip Treatment by Fresh. So that it's in the color Honey. It's just a super nice tinted lip treatment. You can throw it on every day. It's very neutral. It's just the perfect nude lip. I absolutely love it. I love the fact that I can throw it on. It's hassle-free and it's treating my lips at the same time. I think it's so wonderful. Another thing I tried this month that I wasn't expecting to love, I was kind of confused about it when I first got it. This is the Kat Von D Brow Struck Powder. First of all, the packaging is slaying the game. All of her new brow products, packaging is just like on fire. So this is in the color Blonde. And at first when I saw it, I was super confused because it's like a sparkly, it looks like an eyeshadow. It has like shimmer to it, and that's kind of what confused me. But when you put it on the eyebrow, it kind of doesn't show shimmer. It just kind of shows like a bit of a sheen, which is normal if you want to recreate hair. It has like a sheen like your hair would. So I really like this. I think it was really brilliant. I love the fact that it comes with a mirror. This is definitely a favorite. I've been using it every day. So love it. This is the Cover FX Power Play Foundation.
Neutral 20 and 20, number 20, yeah.
This foundation is my go-to. I wear it almost every single day. I don't like wasting it, but sometimes when you love something, you just have to wear it every day, and that's basically the case with this. Definitely my favorite foundation I've ever tried. Cover FX is always good for foundation, so yeah, I highly recommend that. Another favorite is the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin. This is a pressed powder foundation. It has salicylic acid, and they say it's non-comedogenic. Don't ever believe those claims when you see a product and it says non-comedogenic. They don't actually prove to be or clogging. It's actually just like a statement they make. They know that some of the ingredients in the product are known to not cause acne, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's true. So don't always follow that claim when you see it on a package. However, this product does have salicylic acid in it, which I love because every time I put it on my skin, I don't feel like I'm caking my face with a pore clogging ingredient. So I do like that, especially around this area here. I like to set my face because I have the most acneic skin there. It really adds extra coverage. I like to go in with my Morphe Y6. This is a flat top kabuki, but you can use any flat top kabuki or any kabuki brush for that matter. But I just really like to use this one because it really is dense and it packs in that powder, and it really, you just press it into the skin and it gives such great coverage. This comes with a massive mirror and I love that. Also, another thing, this came with a sponge and it has holes in it to prevent it from getting moldy. I really like that, but I lost the sponge, so it's not really relevant to me. I use the color Porcelain, if you guys were wondering. It's amazing. Let's move on to skincare. This is embarrassing, but I'm going to show you anyways. So this is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution. This bad boy is completely empty, and I've been wanting to buy a new one, and I can't because it's been sold out forever. And I'm super bummed out because this stuff is so freaking good. I love the burn it gives my skin. You just know it's working. Keep that in mind though. It is 7%, so it's up there. It's like a tingling sensation. If you're sensitive to it, you might want to try like a 5% first before you jump into the 7. But this is such a good product. It makes my skin look so smooth. It really, really works, and I highly recommend it. Another skincare product I'd like to talk to you guys about is the Belief the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. This is the balm. It is my favorite moisturizer I've ever tried. They also have a Aqua Balm version, which is for more oily skin. I have dry skin, and I love this. I've heard that you can add facial oils to this, and it really makes an even better moisturizer. I believe it was Stephanie Nicole or Tara Babies that I heard that from. It's a good base. It is so good, and the smell is incredible. And I did try the Aqua Balm. I tried a whole tub of it, and it was great, and it really reminded me of Tatcha's the water cream. So if you're looking for a dupe for that, I would go with the Aqua Balm version of this. And if you have drier skin, then go for this. You will not regret it. Another glycolic product that I'm really loving this month is the Pixi Glow Tonic to Go. I've had it for a while, but I find myself using it more now that my glycolic toner ran out, and I'm really enjoying it. They're just pads, and they're only 5%, so I don't really feel that burning sensation, but it is a pad with kind of like texture to it, so you're still going to get that extra bit of exfoliation to your skin. It's great. It smells good, and it doesn't break me out, so that's always a plus. I have two really random products that I want to show you guys. The brand Love Beauty and Planet. I've been using the Miru Butter and Rose Bountiful Moisture Body Wash. So this is what it looks like. It smells like the most beautiful bouquet of roses. If you're not a rose girl, you might not like it, but it's just like the perfect amount of rose, if that makes sense. It is the most amazing body wash. It truly is moisturizing. I absolutely love it so much. There's that, but also I just recently tried the Purposeful Hydration Shea Butter and Sandalwood by the same brand. This is a conditioner for your hair, and I recently just bleached my hair, and I was really nervous about styling it myself. You know when you go and get your hair done and it's bleached, when you go to style it, it's fried. That didn't happen this time. I have a feeling it has to do with this. I've seen really good reviews on this. Since I've tried it myself, I have got to say I love it, and it smells so bomb. Oh my god, it smells like candy and love and happiness. So this is amazing. I don't remember who got me onto this stuff. I believe it was Tati, but the Dr. Teal's Mineral Soap. It is the Super Moisturizer Avocado Oil. Holy shnikes, this shit is amazing. You leave the tub after and your skin is so moisturized. I was shocked. You know how they say like you get a product and it says moisturizing and you're like,
No, you're not. I'm not going to feel any difference. This
is a godsend. You guys have got to try this. If you have dry skin like I do, this will change your life. Especially during the winter months, this was a lifesaver for me. So Dr. Teal's Avocado Mineral Soap, get it or bust. And I forgot to mention something in my makeup section. I am kind of cheating with this one, but I had to mention it anyways because I truly love it. This is the Sephora Pro palette. I just got it during the VIB sale. Oh. This palette is light. It is very pricey. It is $85 plus tax, and that's Canadian dollars. I am absolutely in love with it. I was using my NYX Ultimate palette, and that was a very colorful palette, and it just wasn't enough for me. I really wanted to like branch off and try something new. I know that Morphe, like there's a dupe, basically Morphe has a 35B, I believe it's called, and it's full color too, but this is the one I went for, and I am so obsessed with it. The top row has some of the prettiest shadows. Some of them are like a duochrome. Matte selection is unbelievable. I recommend this palette over so many palettes. Like this is by far my favorite palette, and I had to get it before summer came because I wanted to make sure I had all the colors I needed to create bright looks for the summer. So that's why I picked up this guy, and I'm so glad I did. So back to body care, or skincare I should say. This is La Roche-Posay Lipicar Balm AP+. I have been searching for this my entire life without even realizing it. And like I said, I have dry skin, and no moisturizers ever did it for me. They were either too greasy, too heavy. I hated putting them on because my hands were greasy. There was a point where I was using latex gloves to apply my body moisturizer because I was getting stuff that was so rich and I couldn't stand the way my hands felt after. This stuff, first of all, it's baby okay, so that means that I can use it on my daughter. She has eczema. She's eczema prone. She doesn't have eczema really, but she does get eczema if her skin tends to get dry. And this stuff is so amazing. Like, I cannot express it enough. I will try to show you the texture if I can. So it's like a thick cream, but they call it a balm, but I wouldn't say it's as thick as a balm. So it's like a balm cream, and it has no scent, unscented, so it's not going to interfere with your skin. It's not going to irritate your skin, and it's also not going to interfere with like scents that you like to put on, so your perfumes or whatever. And I like that about this. Soaks into the skin so fast, and your hands aren't greasy, your skin isn't greasy, but you're just supple and soft and oh my God. But I will say this, it's expensive AF. It's like 35 bucks Canadian. But I swear to you, this is, if you've been looking for the perfect moisturizer for your body, this is it. Look no further. You don't need shit. When you've tried this, you don't need anything but this. It's amazing. So I bow down to this. It's the best thing I've ever tried for my skin ever. So I have a couple brushes that I want to talk to you guys about. First brush is the Real Techniques setting brush. So this is a nice little, tiny little dollop of a brush, and I've been using this for my highlighter, and it is the perfect brush for highlighting. It's the perfect size. It just gets right in there in all the right places. It does the trick. It's synthetic, obviously. You guys know Real Techniques if you like makeup. This brush is amazing, and I really recommend you guys try it if you've been looking for a good highlighter brush and can't seem to find one. I prefer this over like a fan brush, over, I don't know where it went, but I was using a Sigma brush for a while. I did mention on my channel before. I found this and I much prefer this. It's smaller, it's not as dense, and it's just really great. Two other brushes I'd like to talk to you guys about are the Eco Tools like dual-ended brushes. These guys have, this one has a blender on one end and a smudger on the other, and then this one's a shader and a angled brush, probably for eyeliner, but I actually like to use it for my eyebrows. These are great brushes. They're super soft. I love that there's two. So duo. Would it be duo or dual? Doesn't really matter. There's two on each end. It's great for travel. It's great to throw in your bag and go. I love them. I think they're very nice. They perform really well and they're affordable. So can't go wrong there. Am I right? Okay, and last but not least, this is very random, but this is called the Sage Natural Wellness Peppermint Halo Wand. So this is a little wand, and inside has peppermint oil. You just take the tip off, and it's got like a little tip on it, and when you press it, it dispenses the oil. So I will directly apply it to the areas that I have tension, and I'm not going to sit here and tell you it cures your headaches because that's a big claim, but it has significantly reduced this pain that I endure when I have tension headaches. I'm somebody who suffers from them very heavily, and it's very painful, and I just can't explain to you how debilitating it's been for me. And this has been a godsend when you've tried everything else. You've tried Advil, liquid gels, extra strength, you've tried the Tylenol, you've tried the Midol, you're on special medication for it at night, and none of it's working. This, on top of all that stuff, is just like, oh my gosh, it's really, really great. And if you guys suffer from tension headaches, I highly recommend it. It smells great, it leaves a nice scent, and peppermint is truly a natural like headache reliever, and when you have it on your scalp, it just releases this hot, cool feeling. Sometimes hot and cold compresses can really help with tension, so it's almost like it does that without having to use the compress. It's just fabulous. I really, really recommend it. My aunt got me this, and I'm so grateful. She's such a sweetheart. She's always thinking of me and always thinking of ways to help me, and she gave me this, and I just love her so much, and I'm so thankful because I never would have thought of this. So I love her and I love it. Oh yeah, and I have one more product. This is, you guys are gonna think I'm crazy. This is the ×3 Clean Germ Attack Hand Sanitizer. I know that sounds crazy, but I have a baby and I don't necessarily like to use Purell on her when we're in the mall or something. I want her to use a hand sanitizer because I don't want her getting sick all the time. There's always some weird stuff, and kids get into everything. They touch the floors in the mall, they touch kids they shouldn't touch, and it's just a disaster. And I didn't like the way Purell made my hands dry, and I don't like the idea of shoving alcohol into my dermal layers. So I looked for something and I found this. This is so gentle. It has no alcohol in it. If you've got kids, it's great, and it's unscented. It is the best thing I've ever tried to get rid of germs. Okay, so it says fragrance-free, non-toxic, non-irritating, and non-drying. It's the ×3 clean, so it's really gonna clean. I feel like I saw somewhere online that it's 99.9% effective. I can't like promise you guys that, but I'm almost positive. It would have said it on the bottle if it was, but anyways, it does kill germs, and I think that's way better than killing your body at the same time as you're killing germs, so I recommend this stuff. It's so, so great. All right, that was it for today. All my favorites for the month of April. I hope I didn't talk too fast. I feel like I go through these videos really quickly and I'm like, those are all my favorites for the month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I like to make it. I always love these videos. I wish I had more to talk about, but I should stop and move on with my life. And maybe get a look. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, and I will see you in my next one.